Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hi to whom?
Hi, Tita Red. Hi, Tita Gina.
You look at the cam.
Hi, Tita Gina. Hi, Tita Red. Can you say toys?
Say hi, Tito Brian.
Hi, Tita Brian.
Sabi mo, I'm big boy now.
Big boy now. Wait. Back.
You say, how are you?
How are you?
You look at the camera.
How are you?
Do you miss them?
Yeah.
You say, I miss you.
I miss you.
You look at the cam.
I miss you.
Can you sing for them?
What song?
I don't know. What song do you know?
Tinker, tinker, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the bridge so high, like the diamond in the sky. Tinker, tinker, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you go to school?
Yeah!
What do you do in school? You tell
No,
them.
no. They got to school.
You didn't go to school today?
Yeah.
Why?
When I'm a baby, I'm using this.
When you were a baby, you were using that?
Yes.
Put it down. You talk to them.
I don't like that.
You don't like na? Sige do, wala kang gift sa Christmas. Oh,
My gift is for what?
a robot. Oh, tell Tita Gina, Tita Red.
Tita Gina, Tita Red.
What do you want?
I got a robot.
A robot.
A robot.
How about Tita Brian? What will you say?
I miss you.
Do you miss Tito Brian?
Yes.
Do you know Tito Brian ba?
Yes.
Did he go here?
Yes.
Yes.
He sleep here.
Where did he sleep?
On your bed.
On my bed. Who else sleep here?
What's the name?
The girl, Tita Ari.
Tita Alvi.
Yeah, you remember her?
Yes.
Uh-huh. How about Tito Marco?
Who's Tita Marco?
You forgot Tito Marco?
Yes.
Lagot ka. He will not give you toys.
I like Tita Marco.
Tito Marco will also go here soon. Lagot ka.
I like flying helicopter.
You like makeup?
I like a flying helicopter for me and Kuya.
A flying helicopter for your kuya. How about you? What do you want? A Barbie doll?
No, a robot.
A robot.
Also a car.
A car. What else?
Transformers.
I like Transformers. What else?
I know.
What?
A big fun for me.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I like Ghost Months.
Who?
Ghost Months.
Ghost Months?
Yes, I like that.
What's that? Is that a cartoon or is it a toy?
It's a movie.
Oh, a movie. Sorry, I didn't know.
Before Grace Young.
For girls lang? Are you a girl?
No.
What if they give you Barbie doll?
I be a gay.
Huh?
I be a gay.
A real girl?
But he's the king and he's the queen.
Okay.
And he's the monkey.
Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Who are you talking to ba?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to whom?
Bye-bye.
You say bye, Tita Red.
Bye, Tita Red.
Say bye, Tita Gina.
Bye, Tita Gina.
Look!
Bye, Tita Gina.
Tito Brian.
Tita Brian.
Say bye.
Bye.
Walang beautiful eyes. Show your eyes. Show your teeth. Do you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Really? Amazing nga. Is it broken? Wow, very nice. Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you look. Say wave your hand.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.